Universal Studios today.
Hollywood, California.
So, fun little story. Some of you may know that we grew up here in Southern California, just like an hour or so away from Universal Studios.
To the shark ride that goes Jaws the shark.
He's excited about seeing Jaws today, possibly. I am 34 years old and I have never been to Universal Studios, so this is my first time.
And here's the thing, I've been to Universal Studios.
I've been a few times, but it's been a while. We just happened to be like 30 minutes away from it, so we figured, why not?
Let's go! Parked.
We don't have a stroller.
You need a stroller? Why?
Because
what?
we need to grow faster.
We just got here and we already need Starbucks, so.
This is the most coolest Starbucks. My parents say I'm very bougie because I like sparkling water and Starbucks. And this blew my mind because this is so fancy.
It is a nice Starbucks.
Casey's our bougie child. He can appreciate the nice things. It's really good. What is it cream soda and butterscotch? Gotta try it. Oh yeah, look at that stash. You know, I have no idea what The Simpsons, like, I have no idea the storyline. I know the name Bart Simpson, and I know, and like, that's it.
Taking the elevator because of this little guy. He's got wheels. You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I'm really excited.
How's that butterbeer?
It's good.
It's different.
Also awesome.
See all the movie sets down there?
Keep in mind, this tour does run about 45 minutes to an hour. Again, 45 to 60 minutes, y'all. Oh, by the way, y'all, I say y'all a lot on this tour, so... Driver Steve! And oh, hey there. You made it. Welcome to the Universal Studio Tour. I'm Jimmy Fallon. I'll be making sure that you get through this experience in one piece. Place the door! But you might also recognize this as a 1955, 1985, and 2015 Hill Valley
from the classic movie franchise Back to the Future as the Clock Tower.
What's going on, bud?
What's going on? And it's great to have you along for the ride.
Oh, dinosaurs, look. You gotta wear your glasses, bud.
That was awesome. I love that. It's still not over. That wasn't 60 minutes.
And Bruce worked for us right here on...
That was crazy.
It's a cool ride, right?
Elevator! Number 2.
They have their ups and downs.
Hey! Hey! Dad joke! Dad, I've never gone down an escalator.
Bumblebee's right there. Are you excited, bud?
Hey! What's your name?
She's a bumblebee. Thank you, Bumblebee.
Yeah, he has speakers on it.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Will you side with Decepticons and join the forces of evil? Or will you roll with the Autobots like true heroes? My name is Optimus Prime.
Hey friends, welcome to Universal Studios.
Yeah.
That's kind of a head nod. I'll accept that. Hey, are you hungry?
Yeah. I won.
See my big, big teeth in my big, big mouth and my big, big claws on my big, big arms. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur.
Universal!
We made it all day. The park's about to close. We have to leave.
It was so awesome. Having never been before, I had a rad day, and Casey just said that it was insanely fun.
It was awesome. Now we're tired.
My feet hurt.
My feet hurt too.
I'm ready to sit down. Universal Studios Hollywood!
We did it.
We did you!
Hey.
Sorry. But we did it, and we had lots of fun. How much fun was it, Casey?
It was really fun. My favorite ride was probably Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. And we are Gryffindor. Courageous, determined, and brave. That's amazing. Cade, what was your favorite part of the day?
Jaws.
Jaws! We did get to see Jaws. And we got to see Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. We had so much fun. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.